us and stay tuned for around 6 minutes as we deliver you interesting facts in a short time on this new topic. Must know for teachers and students about future of AI and how it's affecting education. It's also termed as Education 4.0. Before we look into the future, let us understand current AI capabilities. Based on a survey from United States of America, Department of Education, there are following opportunities which educators see in using AI platform. First, speech recognition. Capabilities like speech recognition increase the support available to students with disabilities, multilingual learners, and others who could benefit from greater adaptivity and personalization in digital tools for learning. Another advantage is it improves lessons. Educators further tells us that this AI can enable writing in improving lessons as well as in the process of finding, choosing, and adapting material for use in the homework, class activities, and lessons. But then, what are the factors which are actually driving the research in the field of use of AI in education? So, as per the report published in Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Teaching and Learning, it states that one of the important factors is scalable and cost optimization. As per the reports published in Forbes, which is titled as College Tuition Inflation, Compare the Cost of College Over Time, the cost of undergraduate degree has increased by 169%. And this data is till the year 2020 and from the year 1980. So in this time where everything, the cost of living, cost of education is going high, AI may enable achieving educational priorities in better way at scalable with lower cost. It also increases the adaptability of learning. AI may improve the adaptability of learning resource to students' strengths and needs. And it also enables teachers to extend the support they offer to individual students when they're running short of time. A single teacher giving an individual focus to 40 odd students is difficult and at times impossible. So it is here the AI comes in and become a supporting hand. But then, can it replace teacher? There's a question is being asked by every academe. So, the straight answer is no. But as per a report published by Stanford University titled "AI will transform teaching and learning," let's get the facts right. So, it won't replace the teacher, but then it will help teacher to adapt in the following way. First, it opens the window to new ways of teaching. So AI will help teachers to automate really bad ways of teaching. So if you think it in a different way, it is helping create a new ways of teaching for teachers. Simulating students. AI language model can serve as practice students for new teachers. Piercy Lang from Stanford Center of Research on Foundation Models says that these AI models are increasingly effective and now demonstrating the capabilities of confusion and as well as asking adaptive follow-up questions. So now you're having a simulating students where you can adapt your ways of learning and teaching. Just imagine how beneficial it can be when you're actually giving one-on-one individual support to students and enhancing his or her abilities as a student. The other significant advantage or the way in which it's going to help teacher is like refreshing expertise. Sal Khan, founder of online learning environment Khan Academy, suggested that AI could help teachers stay up to date with latest advancement of the field. For example, a biology teacher would have AI update them on latest breakthrough in cancer research, or teacher can leverage AI to update their curriculum. So now it's very clear, it's not going to replace teacher, but yes, it's going to help teacher in coming with a storm of evolution, the way the education is being delivered, the value is being delivered. So what we have going ahead as part of Education 4.0 revolution. According to a report published in World Economic Forum, which is titled as The Future of Learning, How AI is Revolutionizing Education, the future of AI somewhat looks like it will be supporting teachers through augmentation and automation. So AI should augment, not replace teachers, and it should augment by automate the routine duties, emphasizing human-centric teaching, where teachers can create an environment where educators can thrive, creating a richer learning experience. So it will augment and automate the daily course of the teacher, so the teacher can give more time to add value to the delivery of the lecture. and overall making it a richer experience for the students. It will work as an assessment and analytics. AI-based assessment offers educator invaluable insights from pinpointing learning trends to support the evaluation of non-standardized tests. By leveraging AI, educators can expedite the assessment process. It won't take weeks, it will come in minutes, offering timely feedback to learners and facilitating more focused engagement. And through real-time analysis, educators can identify strengths and weakness in students' performance and will give a lot of time for teachers to give a customized plan for the students to improve upon and also help teachers to improve on the instructional strategies. Supporting AI and digital literacy, AI presents an avenue through which students can improve digital literacy, crucial thinking, critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity, preparing learners for future job demand. And the last but not the least is personalizing learning. It has been found that the tutored student consistently outperform 98% of their peers in traditional classroom setting. However, providing personalized tutoring for every student poses a great economic challenge. AI offers a solution to this hurdle. By harnessing AI, we can now tailor the experience to individual, enhancing academic performance and diverse learning needs using just simple single software. So it's also cost effective and very efficient. Thank you. Subscribe us if you want to learn about new things in 5 to 6 minutes with the well detailed research. And also let us know in the comment how you liked it. Thank you.